If you've ever owned or even sat in a Tesla, you might have noticed something called car wash mode in the settings and thought, why does a car need a special mode just to go through a wash? It actually makes a lot of sense once you understand how Teslas are built. Tesla vehicles are heavily software-driven. Door handles are electronic, the charge port is electronic, mirrors fold electronically, the windshield wipers can activate automatically. There's no traditional ignition key. And because of all that automation, a normal automatic car wash can accidentally trigger things you don't want triggered. Car wash mode is essentially a temporary settings bundle that prepares the vehicle to go safely through a wash tunnel. When you activate it, the car closes all windows, locks the charge port door, disables automatic wipers, folds in the mirrors, and turns off certain sensor-based features that could misinterpret brushes or water spray as obstacles. It also prevents the car from automatically locking or reacting to proximity sensors in a way that could interrupt the wash. There's also something called free roll mode within car wash mode, which is important for conveyor-style car washes where the car needs to move freely on a track. Free roll allows the vehicle to roll without engaging regenerative braking or automatically shifting into park when you open the door. That part matters because Teslas, by default, are designed to shift into park automatically when certain conditions are met, and that would be a problem mid-wash. So what happens if you don't use car wash mode? In many cases, nothing catastrophic. The car will probably survive the wash, but you increase the chances of annoying or potentially damaging issues. The charge port door could pop open if it detects something nearby. The mirrors might not fold automatically. The wipers could activate unexpectedly. The car might try to shift into park if it senses something unusual. And in a conveyor system, that could cause mechanical stress or even damage. Using car wash mode is essentially about reducing risk and preventing the car's smart systems from misinterpreting the environment. It's not that Teslas are fragile, it's that they're highly automated, and automation sometimes needs to be temporarily simplified. So in simple terms, car wash mode tells the car, relax, nothing here is a threat, just sit still and don't react. And if you own a Tesla, it's one of those small features that feels unnecessary, until the day it saves you from an expensive mistake.